Hi, I'm Ralph W. Sevenour from Wayne Alarm Systems, and thanks for all of your inquiries on our Wayne Alarm Antique Corner. So I thought I'd spend a few moments and give you a little history on some of the earlier products. And this is a bimetallic material. It was a wind-up fire alarm, and the flag, if it was sprung, the flag would actually pop out like that. And it was a bimetallic strip here, and when it reached a certain temperature, it would deform and the bell would sound. And they used to hang these within a couple of inches of the ceiling. So they put these, a company called Vanguard, and they put these all around the house. Very, very effective device, and some of the older houses have them. This device right here is another device. It was a Freon powered heat detector, and it was an eutectic material. It was mounted inside of this chamber. There'd be a trumpet here. Very simple concept. If there was enough heat up to 150 degrees, 175 degrees, this eutectic material would melt. It would then be pushed through by the Freon, and it would actually activate this trumpet. And when the Freon chamber was exhausted, this little viewing window would go white. So again, some of those are still in existence. This is another earlier iteration of some heat detectors. And then in 1940s, actually the photocell came readily into use during World War II. They used to use it for aircraft. They used to actually put the aircraft on railroad cars, and they had the railroad cars automatically opened by a photocell transmitter and a receiver. So that's really where the concept practically came from a smoke detector. So in the 50s, this was one of the earliest photoelectric smoke detectors. And if you look here, there's an incandescent light bulb, there's a photocell here, a darkened chamber. This happens to be a scattered light principle, and a spare incandescent bulb, because obviously the bulb length was limited. A little horn here, and amazing that in the 50s they actually had a little rechargeable battery here. So that was one of the earliest of the photoelectric smoke detectors as we know it. Some of the later versions, screw-in versions of called Vitalarms, it was a product of Gamewell, and some of the smaller ionization detectors, which you could actually screw into a light socket, and you'd put the light down here, and this would be a smoke detector. And then as it migrated, you'll notice the chambers got a bit smaller, became a little more robust, and some of the earlier smoke detectors, they would draw up to 250 milliamps at 6 volts. So it's pretty amazing, 4 smoke detectors at 1 amp, 6 volts. So this gives you a little evolution of the smoke detector technology, and appreciate your input, and anything else we can assist, let us know what you want to hear, and we'll certainly give you a tour into the past. Thank you.